In this video, let me show you how to use the Chase Pay Yourself Back feature. Now, in order for you to use this feature, you'll need to head over to the Chase Ultimate Reward section, where you'll be able to see the exact dollar amount that you can pay yourself back. So once you're inside of the Ultimate Reward section, you can simply tap on the Pay Yourself Back option, which will then take you to a dashboard where Chase will automatically generate a dynamic list of transactions that you need to qualify. So only those transactions that you officially posted to your account statement within the last 90 days would appear on this list and would be eligible. So you can simply check one of these options or one of these transactions, and you'll be able to select the exact dollar amount that you want to pay yourself back. So this is the exact process that you can follow, and the payment or the statement will be added in within 3 business days. So this is the exact steps that you can follow in order to use the Chase Pay Yourself Back feature. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.